Hello, Bacho. The question says here, define nuclear fission. Write the steps involved in the generation of electricity in the nuclear reactor. Okay, here the key concept is nuclear fission and what are the energy steps. तो यहाँ पे हम सबसे पहले की कंसेप्ट को हाईलाइट करते हैं. द की कंसेप्ट ओवर हियर इज द न्यूक्लियर fission. Nuclear fission. So in the nuclear fission what exactly होता है यहाँ पे, that is the conversion of the heavy nucleus. मतलब एक heavy nucleus है, इसके small nucleus में equally fragment में divide होता है. तो I can say the heavy nucleus heavy nucleus is converted into the टू स्मॉल न्यूक्लियाई. तो ये आपका की कंसेप्ट है. तो यहाँ पे हमें डिफाइन बोला गया है. सबसे पहले वी विल डिफाइन द nuclear fission. So nuclear fission is defined as a process in which heavy nucleus like uranium and which nucleus like uranium and thorium, the process in which I can say the process in which the heavy nucleus is converted into or broken down into nearly equal fragments of the small nucleus. Equally fragment bombardment with a low energy nucleus, its heavy nucleus is converted or is broken into two. मतलब one heavy nucleus is broken into two nearly equal fragments. Two nearly equal parts or fragments by what? By the bombardment of the low energy neutrons. By bombardment. What is mean by bombardment? Bombardment क्या होता है? Bombardment मतलब यहाँ पे collision होता है. Bombardment किसका? Bombardment of a low energy neutron. एक न्यूट्रॉन उस पर हम बम्बार्ड करते हैं, लो एनर्जी neutron, and it releases a tremendous amount of energy. It releases a tremendous amount of energy, and tremendous amount of energy is released. Tremendous energy is released. This is the definition for the your nuclear fission. तो डिफाइन जब हमने करना है, यहाँ पे लिखना है कि the process in which a heavy nucleus is broken into two nearly equal nucleus by the bombardment of the low energy neutron, and tremendous energy is released. Tremendous energy is released. So second part of the question यहाँ पे आपको लिखना है कि that is what is the steps involving in the nuclear fission. The first step, very first step is the, यहाँ पे आपको न्यूक्लियर फ्यूल रॉड्स जो लेने होंगे, दैट इज न्यूक्लियर रिएक्टर में यूरेनियम के फ्यूल रॉड्स लगाने होंगे, राइट, टू प्लेस अ न्यूक्लियस टू प्लेस हेवी uranium fuel rod in a nuclear reactor chamber. In a nuclear reactor चेंबर में आपको ये रखना होगा, राइट. सेकंड में लो एनर्जी न्यूट्रॉन का बम्बार्डमेंट करना होगा यूरेनियम फ्यूल रॉड पे. तो बम्बार्डमेंट, हमें बम्बार्डमेंट करना है किस चीज का? बम्बार्डमेंट. व्हाट इज मीन बाय बम्बार्डमेंट? बम्बार्डेड अ न्यूट्रॉन, लो एनर्जी न्यूट्रॉन, आई कैन से यहाँ पे लो एनर्जी न्यूट्रॉन on the fuel rod. So इस bombardment की वजह से a self-sustaining nuclear fuel chain reaction is going to start. A self-sustaining fission reaction is going to be there. Fission reaction starts. उसकी वजह से एक हाई टेम्परेचर एंड हाई प्रेशर रिलीज होगा. सो we get a high pressure, we get a high energy and temperature, which is going to be, ये जो energy temperature है, which is going to be high energy temperature, it is utilized for heating the steam हीटिंग के लिए यहाँ पे काम में आएगा. एंड दिस स्टीम विद हाई प्रेशर एंड टेम्परेचर, this steam with the high temperature and pressure with the high pressure and temperature use करना है हमें and temperature to rotate the turbine, to rotate the turbine, and which is used again and again. ये जो steam है turbine rotate करना है and at last to produce electric energy, to produce electricity. This steam, ये जो steam बनना है, we can use again and again. Okay, in this way these are the 5-6 steps regarding the nuclear fission and nuclear reaction. That is how energy, electrical energy is converted from the nuclear reactor. Hope you understand it well. Best of luck.